Hi guys, welcome to Flavian Hub. Today I like us to unbox this P02 auto-facing tracking device, or gimbal, you can call it like that. So it looks like this, as you can see. So for the specification, we have it has intelligent tracking. We have it fits on any tripod, and it has 180 degrees foldable, so it folds 180 degrees. It doesn't require any app, and we have some gesture for shooting. Then it looks like this, as you can see guys. Then as you can see, this is how you can attach it on your tripod. And then we have other specification here. You can pause and read if you want. So let us unbox and see how it looks, or what comes in the box. So let us unbox. So let's open like this. And we have our gimbal here. Then we have a base. As you can see, this is where you place it here, and then you screw it. You can see. Let's open here. As you can see, it is threaded. Don't know if you can see. Yes. So you can see it is threaded. Then we have a charging or power or whatever you can call it, cable for charging. So you can see here, it is type C. So you can see, very nice to see on the gadget, type C. Then we have our manual here. Yes. Then we have our manual here. So you can see, very nice. If you are stuck, you can use this one. So you can see manual. Now guys, let us check the gimbal itself. It's a face tracking gimbal. As you can see, wow, the black and the red brings out this gimbal very well, as you can see. Now what we have here, we have our phone stand or phone grip. So you can see where you put your phone, and then it is extendable. You can extend like this, and you can put in portrait mode and landscape. So as you can see, you can put it in portrait. I think this is a portraits, because you just put your phone like this, and then you can put it in landscape like this. So you can see now it is in landscape, and it can twist, so you can see, and it depends on how you want it. And then we have some buttons here. We have a gesture button, and then we have power on and off, and then we have a rotation here if you want it to continue rotating, and if you want to stop, you just press, you double tap, and it will go. If it was going clockwise, it will go anti-clockwise. Then we have a sensor here, or lens. I think this is a lens for auto tracking your face, as you can see. Then we have a LED here, as you can see here, and then we have our remote here. So this is a Bluetooth remote. You pair it with your phone so that you can take selfies when you are using the gimbal itself. So we have an on and off switch here, as you can see. So if you turn this one, you just pair with your phone, and then when you want to take a picture, you just press this button like this. It's just quite simple to put it back. Just slide it in, and it is inside. Then we have our charging port here, type C, and then we have our base here. You can put your tripod if you have a tripod, or if you are using like a table. If you have a table, you can use this base where it rotates on. So you can see, just screw it like this, and then you put it on table like this, and everything will work fine. Now this lens, it depends on how you are, if you are standing or sitting. As you can see here, we have a sitting position. It is facing down, and as you can see here, we have, when you are standing, you just put it like that, and you can record. It will track your face when you are standing. So let us switch it on and see how it is. So let's switch it like this. Now as you can see, now it has lit and green. So green means it is in tracking mode. So if it is not in tracking mode, it will blink. It will be lit in red. So red means that it will not be auto tracking. So now we have some gestures to control it. When you do like this, as you can see, like this, that means that it will start auto tracking, and when you put your hand like this, it means that you stop. Now guys, let us check how this gimbal works. As you can see, I have connected my phone there. So as you can see now, it is in red. That means that auto tracking is off. So to activate it, you just open like this, just put your finger like this, and now as you can see now it's green. And if we move like this, as you can see, now it is tracking my face, or it is tracking me. Now if you want to stop, you can just hand your hand like this, and the auto tracking will be off. To activate, just do like this. So you can see now it is on, and it will continue tracking my face, or it will be auto tracking. And now I have connected this remote with the phone. If I want to take selfie, I can, or if I want to take picture while I'm auto tracking, I just press it like this, and you can see it has taken picture. So you just connect this remote through Bluetooth, and the name is selfie. It's just selfie, and it will be connected with your phone, and you can take selfies with it. So that's the end of my video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching, and I will catch you on my next one.